100 advertising tips. Alright, reserve reproduction and distribution are forbidden. Not no part of this publication shall be reproduced, stored in the relative retrieval system or transmitted by any other means electronic, mechanic, photocopying, reading or otherwise. Without a written permission from the publisher. The publication is designed to provide accurate, authoritative information with regard to the subject matter covered. It is sold with the understanding that the author and the publisher are not engaged in the rendering legal, intellectual property, according or other professional advice. If legal advice or other professional assistance is required, the service or of a competent professional should be sought. The author and the distributor individual or corporately do not accept any responsibility for any liability resulting from the action of any parties involved. Introduction. This ebook will give you 100 advertising tips. It lists you all kind of different ads you could create, post, purchase and use to market and advertise your business. Plus each ones give you many different ideas for copywriting and increasing your conversation rates. 1. All the fact being equal, launching radio ad is brilliant business future. Tons of website owner increasing their ad hits using free content. 2. As it stands, trying display ad is killer advertising formula. If number of stores create their ad traffic using free video and audios. 3. Other insight that broadcasting telemarketing ads is capitating promotional idea. Heaps of service boost their ad ratio using product reviews. 4. For the most part, employing website ad is completing publicity loophole. Most product vendors build up their ad investment using bulleted benefits. 5. In particular, investing banner ad is stunning marketing method. Score of retailer grow their view using highlighted keyword. 6. Past experience tell you stocking out press release ad is a cool business model. Certain establishment enlarge their visitor using different fonts. 7. It can be responsible started posting informational ad is curiously advertising objective. Hoarders of website image ad sales using animated ones. 8. At this period in time, buying postcard cards is cutting edge promotional opportunity. Countless employees ensure their ad converging using vivid description. 9. Give my perceptive placing direct mail ads is dazzling publicity outline message of market expand their ad click using free resale right. 10. At some point purchasing catalog ad is dynamic marketing plan. Groups of storefronts extend their ad or order using free private label right. 11. It is self-evident that posting newspaper ad is magazine advertising blueprint. Many business improve their ad sales using limited time offers. 12. I am quick to point out using cell phone ad is super business principle. Several shops 40 their ad income using free branding right. 13. It is my position that ordering extending ads effective advertising produce thousands of corporations fulfill their ad profit using different language. 14. Practical thinking submit form ads in enhancing promotional process. Operatant executive gain on their ad earning using question asking. 15. To be precise, testing that room ad is essentially publicity recipe. Piles for supervisors generate their ad commissions using rotating ads. 16. The premise of the matter is publishing seminar ad is excellent marketing rules. Numerous managers develop their ad revenue using good grammar. 17. Presently launching packing ad is exception business scam covered of proprietor hiding their ad hit using correct spelling. 18. I presume that trying insert ad is exclusive advertising secret. Multiple copyright help their traffic using professional features. 19. The principal view broadcasting cross promoting ads in accelerating promotional shortcut. An area of the generic increase their ad ratio using a lot of bounces. Bonuses. 20. In realistic terms imply business card as in executive publicity so solution group of ownership influence their ad investment using better quality product. 21. For clarification propose investing in the bumper stick ad is extraordinary marketing step. Surging of distributor inspire their ad view using bigger quantities. 22. Ad obvious fact is buying magazine ads is blockbuster promotional camping. Lot of entrepreneur better their ad conversation using limited quantity of fare. 23. For purpose of analysis talking out t-shirt ad is fabulous business strategy. Herbius of enterprise interest free their ad visitor using order deadline. 24. Without question posting pencil pen ad is fail proof advertising system. Bunch of business lengthening their ad sales using recurring sales. 25. Not surprisingly, you buying word of mouth ad is fantastic promotional static. Many entrepreneurs maintaining their ad conversation using more benefits. 26. At any rate, flashing mail order ad is fascinating publicity technique. A lot of webmasters make their ad click using more feature. 27. The reality of purchasing classified ad is first class marketing template. Almost all publicity manage their ad order using store selling telling. 22. Some people say using signature field ad is fast rate business testament plan of advertising maximize their ad income using joke humor. 29. A static fact in ordering banner ad is splitting advertising theory. Various companies modify their ad profit using smaller, larger tags. 30. I have every reason to believe submitting pop-up ads is fearless promotional resolution. Tons of business owners multiple their ad earning using rush-free delivery shipping. 31. Reasonable thinking testing corner ad is foolproof publicity tip. Many CEO as often their ad commissions using them fearless changing price. 32. For a variety of reason publishing pay per click ad is genuine marketing tools. Some promoter perceive their ad revenue using audio video testimonial. 33. Occasional placing is ad is powerhouse publicity component. Almost all webmasters save off their ad click using affiliate programs. 33. I venture to say launching thank you ad is golden business trend. Lots of store owners prolong their ad hits using handwriting unsolicited testimonial. 35. Recent finding indicate trying ebook ad is great advertising tricks. Many stores protect their ad traffic using no jargon. 33. In recent years, broadcasting car airplane sign ad in ground breaking promotional advice. A number of services raise their ad ratio using business milestone. 37. A recent study found employee order page ad is 100 publicity incentive. Heaps of product vendors restrive their ad advertising using more ordering option. 38. Most significantly, investing in tax link ad is a solid marketing fix. Most realtors refine their ad view using fast loading site. 39. Upon reflection, talking out instant message ad is a hard hitting business hint. Source of establishment reinforce their ad visitors using instant commissions. 40. As a recollection, posting blog ad is helpful advertising benefit. Certain website sees their ad sales using friendly fact customer service. 41. It is worth remark buying keyword as is higher caliber promotional maneuver. Hordes of employee reviews their ad conversion using the name you one price option. 42. Review suggests placing profile ads is high grade publicity finding. Countless markets safeguard their ad click using more contact option. 43. Always remember purchasing scrolling ad is supermarket lesson. Message of storefronts secure their ad order using coupon gift certificate. 44. On occasion purchasing email opt-in ads in outstanding market concept. Plenty of publicities upgrade their ad order using contest. 45. A closer look reminder using viral ads is spectacular business discovery. Gopes of shop refine their ad income using targeted discounts. 46. Research suggested ordering Fairbiz ad is historic advertising investment. Several corporations strengthening their ad profit using a big advertising budget. 47. The research shows Summit software ad is a hot promotional venture. Thousands of executives state their ad earning using targeted advertising. 48. In one respected testing contest ad is ideally publicity asset. Often superior transmitted is the commission using social networking links. 49. Result how publishing polls survey ad is a laptop related marketing action. Piles of manager upgrade their ad revenue using safety security proof. 50. After future review, launching resale right ad is important business option. Numerous proprietor amplify their ad hit using dedicated survey. 51. As a generally rules, trying Squeezy page ad is impressive advertising of fancy crowd of copywriting blow of their ad traffic using memorable domain name. 52. I has been said broadcasting video ad is an incredible promotional approach. Multiple ad agency boost their ad ratio using applying product name. 53. Let it be said imply audio ad is indi- indispensable publicity policy. An array of ownership boarding then ad investing using good logic slogan. 54. It is safe to say invest in graphical arts in generic marketing project group of distributor bulk of their ad view using the computation price. 55. Every so often using forms ad is attractive business element. Various various advertising enhance their ad income using affiliate business. 56. Form time to time talk out balloon sign is innovated business program surge of entrepreneurs dilated of visitor using legal privacy disclaimer. 50. As you will see, posting store billboard sign ad is an insane advertising scenario. Herbos of business inflate their ad sales using 24 service live chat help. 48. Surely buying webinar ads is a specially promotional niche. Bunch of entrepreneurs fuel their conversion using affiliate link protection short rules. 59. It same likely placing coupon ad in intriguing publicity slant. Many webmasters bidden their ad click using thumbnail image. 60. Common sense tell you purchasing picture ad in invaluable marketing provision. A lot of publicity spread their ad order using good website thems. 61. If memory service using social media ads is worth hill business law, almost all advertiser accelerate their ad income using emotional color. 62. What is significant in order of social networking ads is killer advertising direction. Plenty of companies skyrocket their ad profit using never resell business bounce. 63. In a similar manner submitted RSS feed as a magnetic promotional resource. Various business owners blossom their ad earning using surprise mystery bonus. 64. In simplest terms, testing background ad is magnificent publicity target tones of CEO build of their ad commission using pay later options. 65. Generally speaking, publishing give a ad is tremendous marketing traditional. Million of promoters sprout their revenue using a double money back guarantee. 66. Speaking objectively, ordering voicemail ad in authentic advertising example tone of company accelerator their ad profit using rebates. 67. To be specific, launching cost per action ad is a major opportunity business habit. Some tone sub store owner reiterate their ad hit using famous customers. 68. As a thing stand now, trying upsell ad is a market advertising feeds. Lots of store arms their ad traffic using business awards. 69. It is widely started broadcasting follow-up ad is marvelous promotional undertaking. Odely service manufacture their ad ratio using family members testimonial. 17. What is tricking employee backend ad in mismanaging publicity angle? A member of product vendors springboard their ad advertising investment using a good refund policy. 71. Studies so invest is one time offer ad is mind blowing market twist heaps of retailer catapult their ad be using the competition product. 72. New findings suggest talking out both display ad is a mind blowing business objective. Most establishment properly their ad visitor using retail product valuable. 73. So I submitted to you buying poster fly ad is mind busting advertising running source of website advance their ad sales using professional web design. 74. The proof suggested posting free ads is a necessary promotional position. Certain employees carry on their ad conversation using positive business history. 75. Supposedly placing syndicate ads is nifty publicity transaction. Hordes of market pool in their ad click using gift subscription. 76. The one thing for use is purchasing viral ad is outstanding market practice. Countless storefront surge their ad order using one time no extra fare. 77. To make it simply submitted tax fax ad is awesome promotional experiment. Million of business owner add to their ad earning using a unique selling positions. 78. It is no surprise that using black link ad is perfectly business skill. Message of shop hike of their ad income using many different product formats. 79. I suspect that ordering joint venture ad is phenomenal advertising ability. Gods of corporation fill up their ad profit using product metaphors analogy. 80. The best I can tell you submitted pay per view ads is unique promotional talented. Several executive gather their ad earning using fast start future bonus. 81. A couple people started the testing continuity ad is potent publicity benefited thousands of supervisor magnificent their ad commission using the pro and cons of buying. 82. Some theorize publishing membership ad is powerful marketing territory. Often manager depend their ad revenue using introductory fast action price. 83. At this time, launching interview ad is a practical business task. Peels of proprietor shoot of their ad hits using perceived quotes of hype. 84. It is true that trying advertiserial ad is precious advertising space. Number of copyright flood their ad traffic using complement filtering. 85. Big to big podcasting blog comment ad is premium professional craft. Crowd of the agency heighten their ad ratio using long-term guarantees. 86. In all true, imply refer and friend ad is a priceless publicity add-on. Multiple owners help their ad advertising using past experience story. 87. As it turn of investing in contextual ad is a sweet market location and a rare of distribution increase their ad view with new story proof. 88. In my opinion, testing television ad in beneficial publicity factor. Some CEO attract their ad commissions using ad tracking. 89. It is my understanding talking out animated objects in proven business deal group of enterprise improve their ad visitor using educational tips ads. 90. Usually posting product review ad is pure gold advertising sector. Surge of business better their ad sales using music on website. 91. The prevalence view in buying app. Whitegate ad is rare promotional trade harvest of entrepreneurship of their conversation using customer loyalty reward discount. 92. The way it standing placing media ad is refreshing publicity function. Bunch of webmaster upgrade their ad click using test result third party proof. 93. Allowing the way purchasing cable satellite ad is a reliable marketing encouragement. Many publicities enhance their ad order using well-known fact. 94. Way of thinking using all action ad in remarkable business specialty. A lot of advertising accelerate their ad income using hypnotic words faces. Perhaps. 95. Once you will ordering yellow page ad in revolutionary advertising purchase, almost all companies safeguard their ad profit using frequently asked question. 96. The plan true is submitted direct ad in retrieving promotional bargain. Plenty of business owners secure their ad earning using methods conversational issues. 96. The plan true is submitted direct ad is reiterating promotional bargain. Plenty of business owners secure their ad earning using methods controversial issue. 97. As a whole, testing online radio ad is a sensational publicity area. Various CEO of refine their ad commissions using lower cost alternative. 98. What has it that publishing testimonial ad is significant marketing by tones of promoter strength their ad revenue using hypothetical yes no questions. 99. I will make the point that publishing article byline ad is brand new marketing fact. Lots of promoter rejuvenate their ad revenue using ad testing. 100. Worth of note launching exit ad is traffic business requirement milestone of store owner state their ad hit using the retail amount of the bonus.